Everyone remembers me as the guy who got bonked on the head by an apple and discovered gravity. Cute story. But let's be honest, you don't care about gravity right now. You care about wealth, time, and patience. And guess what? These forces are even stronger than the pull of gravity, if you know how to use them. Shall we? Here's the truth. Wealth is like gravity. It's attracted to mass. And in your life, mass equals value. If you're chasing quick money without building value, it's like throwing apples into the air and hoping they'll float. Spoiler alert, they won't. But if you grow an orchard, skills, knowledge, solutions for others, wealth naturally gravitates toward you. Want more money? Don't chase apples. Plant trees. Now time. Oh, time. You can't stop it. You can't rewind it. You can't bargain with it. Think of time like a river. It flows forward whether you like it or not. You have two choices. Stand there watching it pass or build watermills on it. Translation: invest your time. Every minute wasted scrolling mindlessly is a coin you'll never get back. Every minute invested, learning, creating, building, is compounding interest on your future. When I was studying the laws of motion, I didn't realize I was also studying life itself. An object in motion stays in motion. A person in motion stays ahead. And then there's patience, my secret weapon. I spent 20 years refining my theory of gravity before the world believed me. Imagine if I had given up after 2 weeks. Patience is not waiting and doing nothing. It's waiting while working. It's the hidden multiplier of success. This apple didn't ripen in one day. Wealth doesn't either. Time is the soil. Patience is the sunlight. Together they grow your orchard. See? Worth the wait. Even apples obey the law of patience. Question for you. What are you planting today that your future self will harvest? Drop it in the comments. I'll be grading later. So let's wrap this up before another apple falls on my head. Wealth is attracted to value. Time waits for no one. Spend it wisely. Patience multiplies everything. Master these 3 invisible forces, and you'll have discovered a law even greater than gravity, the law of a meaningful life. And hey, if this apple changed the world, imagine what your orchard could do. So, what will you plant today? An apple that feeds you once, or an orchard that feeds generations?